The usage of a Zoom H5 is pretty simple. You got a button just right here that you will push to power and hold it to turn it on. And it's actually on. Otherwise, just right here, we can see that you have a USB connector. So if you would like to connect it on your computer to, you may want to transfer the information of the SD card. So if you don't have a SD card reader, you can connect the Zoom H5 with the USB connector to your computer to transfer the file, or you can use the Zoom H5 as an audio console, a USB audio console. You will see the option on the screen when you will connect it to your PC. After that, you got a volume. So let's say I want to record something by pressing the record button. So, oops, no channel ready. So I'm gonna turn those on and let's record something amazing. Now, if I do press the play button, and let's record something amazing. So I can control the volume of what is playing on the speaker on the other side of the device, or control the volume on the headset if I connect something to monitor or just to hear what I have already recorded, just from there. So if you didn't have connect anything, it will play on the speaker, and if you connect the headset, it will play on the headset. And with that, we control the volume of the speaker or the headset. Yeah, on the other side you have the menu button to reach the menu, and you will navigate with the arrow, so going up and down. And if you want to reach something, so if I want to go in system, you will press on that button like that and go back with the menu if you want to exit. To record something, you got the L and R, which is that microphone that came with it, so left and right. And you also have a 3.5 millimeters or a 1/8 inch input just right here if you have that kind of microphone. And you can control the gain of those microphones with that roller. Those microphones are modular microphones, so Zoom made some other kind of microphone. You can see in the link in the description if you want to order other microphone. So let's turn this off, and if you want to put another microphone, you can press those two buttons and pull. So you can connect another microphone with that connector. You have other input just right here. So you got the 1 and 2. You turn it on like that. This is the XLR input, or the 1/4 input. You can put a 1/4 cable just right here in the middle. And now if you need to control the phantom power, if you have a phantom power microphone, I will explain you how to do it in the video just right here, to control the proper voltage for any kind of microphone. Yeah. So when you want to record something, you just need to press the record button and make sure you select an input before that. You can select every input if you would like that. And yeah, when you're ready, you just press the record button. You record what you have to do, and at the end, you press the record button again, and your file is now on the SD card. You can play it to see if everything is fine before you put it on your computer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. At the back, you've got 2 AA batteries, and yeah, that's it.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!